Let's open now. Kami yung dun ko.
Wait lang.
Mom, it's time to cut it.
Hindi pa, ano ko lang.
This is bubble wrap. Flower heaven. Wow! Flower heaven. Look at flower heaven. And this one's too big. It's so far, and now the winner on the other side.
Wala na? I ordered 3. There. What's that?
A bit.
Yes.
Colorful bits.
Okay, are you happy? Wala na.
Wala na yung kabili. Let's open it now. First, this one. It has right here. Supply and have a mid on the back. So soft. So really soft.
How was the bristles? Is it soft? Can I touch it?
Ito din. So soft.
Pero okay lang yan sa hair.
Oh, it's really have a sound stick.
It's not a toy.
Next, we have this.
This is just a mini haul. Mini Shopee haul. Oh! Huwag mo hilain yung headband. Baka maputol. Oh! Wow! That's cute, anak! You wanna try it? Diyan natin iipit yung hair mo. So pretty! Hi, love! Such a pretty girl.
Let's have a other flower.
Okay, sige. Let's try that one later, okay?
Yeah, I like the flower. We have a flower right here. So
What flower is that?
first flower, sun.
Flower sun. Sunflower baby.
Sunflower.
Kasi ganito siya, oh. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Parang iipit natin yung kanyang hair. Meron siyang clip. Ayan. Ayaw mag-focus.
So cute. Let's open first.
Ipit niya. Kasi ayoko siya gamitan ng Sanrio. Kasi ano, madaling makasira ng
So
hair.
small. You can watch. You can looking in the back.
Too big.
And also have some.
Too big.
Tinry ko kay Luna yung
Ito,
headband.
Hindi.
Smile!
Wow!
So cute!
Ito.
Kasi first time ko gawin kaya hindi pa ako masyadong marunong.
Ito, next year. Ito.
Next
So,
year.
bindi ito. Yung tali. And ito sa wallet habang meron na ba? I tried this on and I tried this on. And try this on for this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. You subscribe my channel.